Good afternoon. Topic maxima and minima. Exercise 6.5, question number 3. The question is, find the local maxima and local minima if any of the following functions. Find also the local maximum and the local minimum values. So first question is number 1, fx equal to x square. Fx equal to x square. So find its first order and second order derivative with respect to x. So f dash x equal to f dash x equal to 2x, x square derivative 2x. Okay. Then f double dash x, f double dash x second order equal to 2 into 1, that is 2. Okay. So f dash x equal to 0, because we know the condition of maxima minima, f dash x equal to 0. So for maxima or minima f dash x equal to 0. Okay. So f dash x equal to 0 means 2x equal to 0. First order is 2x. So 2x 0 means x equal to 0. X equal to 0. Now at x equal to 0, f double dash x at x equal to 0, f double dash x
equal to 2.
Equal to 2 only. 2, it is greater than 0. Positive. It is greater than 0. So therefore x is equal to 0 is a point of local minima. Greater than 0. Therefore x is equal to 0 is a point of because of greater than 0, so function has minimum value. So as per question, x is equal to 0 is the point of local minima. Okay. Now minimum value equal to so x equal to 0 in the given question. Given question is x square. So x square. So it is 0 square. It is 0. So minimum value equal to 0. This is the answer. Minimum value. Okay. All of you understand?
Yes, sir.
Next question number 2. Gx equal to x cube minus 3x. X cube minus 3x. Okay. So its first order derivative g dash x. 3x square minus 3. Okay. So its second order g double dash x equal to 6x. Okay. Minus 0, that is 6x. Now for maxima or minima, g dash x equal to 0. This is the condition of maxima minima. So g dash x equal to 0 means 3x square minus 3 equal to 0. So it is 3x square equal to 3. So x square equal to 1. 1, therefore x equal to plus minus 1. Root 1 equal to 1. So x equal to plus minus 1. Okay, now at x equal to 1, first to take positive sign, so at x equal to 1, so g double dash x equal to 6 into 1 equal to 6 greater than 0. Okay, so x equal to 1 is the point of, therefore x equal to 1 is a point of local minima, because greater than 0 positive. Okay, now at x equal to minus 1, another point, minus 1 g double dash x equal to 6 into minus 1, because second order is 6x. 6 into minus 1 equal to minus 6, less than 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 is a point of local maxima, because less than 0, so value is maximum. Okay, now minimum value and maximum value. Now minimum value equal to
2 minus 2 and maximum will be 2.
minimum value. So minimum value equal to at x equal to 1. So at x equal to 1, the question is x cube minus 3x. Okay, so 1 cube minus 3 into 1. Okay, so 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. So minimum value equal to minus 2. Now maximum value, at x equal to minus 1. So minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into minus 1. Okay, so this is equal to minus 1 minus minus plus 3 equal to 2. Okay, so maximum value is 2 and minimum value is minus 2. Okay, clear this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next, number 3. Question number 3 is hx equal to sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x 0 less than x less than pi by 2. Okay, so x lies between 0 to 90. So find its derivatives. Therefore, h dash, that is first order derivative, is x equal to sin x derivative cos x and cos x is minus sin x. Now second order h double dash x
minus sin x minus cos x.
okay, cos x minus sin x and sin x cos x. Okay, so for maxima or minima, condition is h dash x equal to 0. Okay, so this gives cos x minus sin x equal to 0. Okay, so cos x equal to sin x. So sin x by cos x equal to 1. You can write sin x by cos x equal to 1. So tan x equal to 1.
X equal to pi by 4.
Tan x equal to 1. 1 means tan pi by 4. So x equal to pi by 4, 45 degree. Pi by 4. Okay. So pi by 4, this point lies between 0 to 90 is okay. Pi by 4 means 45 degree. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now at x equal to pi by 4, at x equal to pi by 4, f double dash, that is h double dash x is minus sin pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4. Minus sin pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4. Okay.
Minus 1.
Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Same value, sin and cos equal to minus 2 by root 2.
Minus root 2.
So minus 2 by root 2 means equal to minus root 2. So it is less than 0. Okay, that means maximum value. So x equal to pi by 4 is the point of local maxima, because less than 0. Okay, now maximum value equal to so x equal to pi by 4 in the given question. So sin pi by 4 sin
Cos pi by 4.
pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. Okay, so equal to 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 equal to 2 by root 2. 2 by root 2 means root 2 equal to root 2. So maximum value is root 2. This is the answer. It is clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And in this question, it is given 0 to pi by 2x lies between. So point pi by 4 lies between 0 to pi by 2. It's okay. So we can take and taken also. Okay. We have to see this. Okay. Next we will do question number 5. Fx equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 15. X cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 15. Okay. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. First order f dash x equal to
3x square minus 12x plus 9.
12x plus 9. Okay. Now second order f
6x minus 12.
equal to 6x minus 12. Okay. Now for maxima or minima f dash x equal to 0. Okay. So this means 3x square minus 12x plus 9 equal to 0. So 3 common and 0 by 3 is 0. So it is x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Now middle term factor, it is x square minus 3x minus x, 4x plus 3 equal to 0. So x common, x minus 3 minus 1 common, x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. So it is x minus 3 into x minus 1 equal to 0. So therefore x equal to
3, 1.
3 and 1. Okay, 2 point. Now at x equal to 3, at x equal to 3, f double dash x. Okay, question is f double dash x equal to f double 6x minus 12. So 6 into 3 minus 12. So 18 minus 12 equal to 6 greater than 0. Okay. Therefore x equal to 3 is a x equal to 3
Local minima.
greater than 0, that means minima. Okay. Now at x equal to 1, f double dash x 6 into 1 minus 12. Okay, because it is 6x
minus
6x, that is 6 minus 12 minus 6 less than 0. Less than 0 means maximum value. X equal to 1 is the point of local maxima. Okay, now maximum value and minimum value. So minimum value equal to, hence minimum value equal to at x equal to 3. Okay, so x equal to 3 cube minus 6 into 3 square plus 9 into 3 plus 15. Okay, so this is equal to 27 minus 54, no? Plus
Yes, sir.
Plus 27 plus 15.
plus 15.
It's the 15 is there.
It is 15, no? 27, 27, 54. 54, 54 cancel.
Yes, sir.
So 15. 15. Now maximum value. So maximum value at x equal to 1. So 1 cube 6 into
19.
1 square plus 9 into 1 plus 15. So equal to 1 minus 6 plus 9 plus 15. Okay, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 15
19.
9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 15 25, 25 minus 6 equal to 19. Okay, so minimum value is 15 and maximum value is 19.
9.
15 and 19. Answer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Next question number 6. Number 6 is gx equal to x by 2 plus 2 by x plus 2 by x, x by 2 plus 2 by x. Okay, so g dash x equal to g dash x equal to x derivative is 1, that is half. Half into 1 is half, and 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square, that is minus 2 by x square. Is okay? Half minus 2 by x square. Okay. Now it's second order. G double dash x equal to half derivative 0, it is constant, 0 minus 2 and 1 by x square derivative, x to the power minus 2 means minus 2. Okay, x to the power minus 2 means minus 2 into x to the power minus 3. Okay, so equal to minus minus plus 4 x to the power minus 3. So it is 4 by x cube. Okay, so first order is 1 by 2 minus 2 by x square and then 4 by x cube. Okay, hello.
Yes, sir.
Now for maxima or minima g dash x equal to 0 gives 1 by 2 minus 2 by x square equal to 0. Okay, so this equal to 1 by 2 equal to 2 by x square.
Plus.
Okay, then x square equal to cross multiply x square equal to 4,
X equal to plus minus 2.
x equal to plus minus 2. Okay, 2 point plus 2 and minus 2. Now it is given question x greater than 0. No, it is given x greater than 0 since
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
0, so x equal to 2 positive value you have to take, so therefore x equal to 2 only. Okay, so at x equal to 2 f double dash x, that is g double dash x equal to g double dash x is 4 by x cube,
4 by 8.
4 by 2 cube, 4 by 8 equal to 1 by 2. It is greater than 0. Therefore x equal to 2 is a point of local greater than 0 means
Minima.
Minima.
minimum. Okay, so therefore minimum value hence
2.
value so put x equal to 2 in the given function. Question is x by 2, that means 2 by 2
2 by 2 plus 2 by 2.
plus 2 by 2
Equal
2
to
is there.
1 plus 1 equal to 2. So 2 is the answer. Minimum value is 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, number 7. Gx equal to 1 by x square plus 2. Okay, 1 by x square plus 2. So g dash x derivative. So x square plus 2 we can write.
Minus 1 by x square plus 2 whole cube.
Yes. So it is minus 1 by x square plus 2 whole
X
square.
square plus 2 whole square.
X square plus 2 whole square. This minus 1 by x square plus 2 whole square into derivative of x square plus 2, that is 2x. Okay, clear?
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Is clear? Derivative. So minus 2x by
Yes, sir.
minus 2x by x square plus 2 whole square. Derivative like 1 by x derivative, 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. So minus 1 by x square into x square plus 2 derivative 2x. This is first order. Now second order, g double dash x equal to, second order you apply u by v. Okay, u by v. So v square, that means x square plus 2 whole square square, that means 4. Okay, and here x square plus 2 whole square. See, this into
into -2.
minus 2, yes, minus 2 into 1, minus 2, and minus 2x constant into x square plus 2 whole square derivative, 2 into
4x.
2 into x square plus 2 into 2x.
yes, 2 into x square plus 2 into 2x.
2x.
So this equal to minus 2 into x square plus 2 whole square. Okay, then minus minus plus 2x into 2x, 2 into 2 into 2, 8x square. Okay, 8x square into x square plus 2. This divided by x square plus 2 whole cube. So plus 2 to the power 4. Okay. Now numerator and denominator, x square plus 2, x square plus 2 cancel 1. Okay. So it is minus
Yes, sir.
2 into x square plus 2 plus 8x square divided by x square plus 2 whole cube. Is it now? See, 4 minus 1, 3, 1 cancel. Okay. Then multiply now.
Yes, sir.
Minus 2x square
8x square minus 2 plus 4.
square minus 4 by x square plus 2 whole cube. Okay, this is second order. Second order. Now first order equal to 0, g dash x. No, first order. So g dash x equal to 0. This means apply the condition minus 2x by x square plus 2 whole square minus 2x by x square plus 2 whole square equal to 0. This means x equal to 0, no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
X equal to 0. Now at x equal to 0, second order. At x equal to 0, okay, g double dash x double dash x equal to 0 minus 4. So minus 4 by 2 cube, that is 8. Minus 4 by 8. Okay. Minus 4 by 8. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
It is minus half, no?
Minus 1 by 2, which is smaller than 0, so it will have maximum.
0 is the point of maxima. Maximum value less than 0, therefore maximum value equal to maximum value equal to, so put x equal to 0 in the given question. Okay. So given question is 1 by x square plus 2. So 1 by 0 plus 2 equal to 1 by 2. This is the answer, maximum value. Okay. Is clear? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So practice all.
Sir.